In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Marvel Rivals keeps crashing and freezing. Now what I suggest you do is you go into the game, if you can even get into the game, and then you want to make sure that you're playing on full screen and not windowed. I'm just in window to show you guys, but you want to make sure you're on full screen, and also you want to make sure that VSync is turned off. So turn it off right here. Make sure you turn your graphics low, and that will most likely help fix the issue. Now if you cannot even get into the game, or if this doesn't fix the issue, then what I suggest you do is you open up your Steam, right click on Marvel Rivals and go to Properties, and then you want to verify integrity of game files. Now see if this helps you, but if this is not enough, what you should do is you should come here and search for Device Manager. In here, Display Adapters, right click and update driver, and once you've updated your driver, you want to download the software to your driver. So just Google the name of your driver and type in software, and in my case it's going to be the NVIDIA one. So open that one and also update it from in there. There will be like a big button that says update. Now after you've done all of this, it should hopefully work, but if it's still not working, what I suggest you do is you come here and you make sure you're on the latest Windows setting. So go here, take the latest update, and also you can try and go into browse, come here and you can try and launch the game as an administrator. So try and do that from in here and see if that one works. Now if none of these work, the last solution is come here and search for run, type in percentage, local app data percentage, press OK, look for Marvel, open it, saved, crashes, delete everything in here if you have something, and then you want to empty your recycle bin after that. Then right click on your desktop and go to display settings, scroll down here and go to graphic settings, turn this on, press browse here, and then we want to add the Marvel Rivals launcher. So we want to just quickly get the folder. So come here, Control C, and then browse, come in here, Control V, press enter, and then add the launcher. In the launcher you want to select it, options and high performance. Once you've done all of this, it should most likely work. Try and restart your PC after doing it. Otherwise, the last option that I suggest you do is you just reinstall the game. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.